It's my fucking hell! My dude's in hell! Got me again! Holy shit! He knows this me! Oh, let's take this out! I'm in hell! I'm in hell! I'm sorry, no, I'm really figuring it out! Yep, I'm the king.
Good?
I'm just so glad my best friend right there.
What's going on?
I don't know what.
I
don't know what.
I can't hear you.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you need something? You want to talk to anybody?
Nope.
You take anything?
Nope.
You want rescue? Alright, well, downstairs needs to talk to you. Because I guess you're breaking.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I figured it out.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm brought canines.
Figured it.
It's my fucking hell! My dude's in hell! Got me again!
You want to go talk to them?
No! Yeah, I'll see what's happening.
Okay.
Yeah, no, now I really figured it out. No.
You don't come down.
No, I'll do whatever.
On the night of May 9th, 2025, inside the luxurious Hollander Hotel, an emergency call reported a man causing chaos, smashing property, and setting off the fire alarm.
You won't. Whew. I see what you're saying. I'll do. We're going to get folks. It's my number one right there. Oh. Whew. My mama told me I was going to be something. Hey, guess what?
Well,
I am the yeah. Oh, reality. Oh, I heard it. Oh, we got a serious glitch. He knows this me. Oh, let's take this shit. I get it. Yeah, go. Oh, my God.
what is this? Turn around!
I figured it out.
Turn around!
I figured it out. I'm in hell.
Turn around.
I'm in hell.
The other hand.
I'm in hell.
Give your other hand.
I'm in hell.
Give your other hand.
I'm freaking hell.
You're gonna get popped again.
I'm gone. I got it. I'm gone. We got it. I'm gone. Give up.
Got it. Yep.
Please just stop. Alright, I'm sorry. No, I'm really figuring it out. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, I'm the king.
Come on.
Oh,
Taser.
oh my God.
Put your
Oh
hands
God. I know, I got it.
Yeah, this guy's just giving us hard time.
That's me. This is oh God. I see why y'all do this. I see why y'all
Let's just keep them like this. Rescue will come. And
Yep.
We're 10-4. We're 15. Taser deployment. We'll just roll a third for right now and have rescue move in. We're just gonna strap this guy to the stretcher to move him out of here.
Oh my God. Alright, thanks to me and my big dick bitch.
What did you take today, dude?
Oh my I will be so weird. Y'all fucked up.
Nope.
Stop
Doing that.
I'm figuring it out now. Yes, I'm trying to take the focus off me. No. Just put me back in hell. I'm gone. They ain't gonna fuck me up. Cause yeah, I got been stuck in these things. I figured it out. I'm the God. I'm the chosen one. My big dick.
You want to tell me your name?
Yeah, my baby. Go get my fucking big dick. Oh. Now I got it.
We're up on the third floor.
I got it. Alright. I'm sorry. Let me walk away. I want to hug you, buddy. And get everybody kisses. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Relax.
Oh my God. I am the
Relax.
jackpot in reality. Oh my God. I'm doing. Oh! It's all me!
You gotta wear yourself.
Oh!
Stop.
No!
Chill the hell out.
Fucking God!
Chill.
Ow!
Alright?
Alright.
Chill.
Alright, now I figured it out. I'm just gonna figure it out now. We're gonna keep doing this over and over for a trillion more years.
Took some bad something today.
Uh-huh. Okay. I hit the fucking jackpot. Oh. And I'm so glad I told you. My best friend. Right there. I love her, God. We hit that fucking jackpot, honey. I love comes true fucking jackpot right now. Dude, I'll fucking kill someone for her. I hit the fucking. Ooh. Alright, I got it.
You good now?
Yeah.
You gonna get up and walk with us, or you're gonna continue doing this?
I'll walk with you.
You gonna walk with us?
Guarantee.
You sure?
Alright, so.
If you do any of this crazy shit,
I
you're gonna
figured
get
it
bumped
out.
again. You understand?
Figured it out.
Are you good?
Yeah.
You want to stand up?
Because I know I have that jackpot. I hit the grand.
Yep. Ready? There we go.
Yo! The whole reality of here we go,
Alright.
Yep, I figured it out.
Go, man.
Oh,
What do you need?
I'm really.
I know.
I am now.
Just walk. Come on. What do you need? Huh?
Why would you do this?
I can't hear a word.
Why would you?
No.
Hey, woo!
This?
I know it.
Come on.
Oh, I know.
Dude.
Oh, yeah.
You walk with
Yeah, I'm gone.
Stairs.
I've got it because y'all can't stop me. Because I'm. Yeah.
Ready to the elevator?
I'll go.
Okay.
Because
this guy's gonna fall down.
Yeah.
Chill out, man.
Oh, the reality. I didn't make it out of the way. Oh, oh.
We're good. We
I
got
gotta
guys.
get it out the one. Give it up. Oh,
What's happening?
because I fucking know it's all out of me.
First day I put the taser back
Oh,
on.
God.
It's been off for 6 months.
I'm the go. Nothing more.
Oh, he took some bad.
No, Jack, no. Oh, reality, everything. Oh, reality. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's just like that.
Just like that stuff. I'll go.
Closest cruiser? No. It's not going to be mine because I can go back upstairs.
It's gonna be my hell.
Mine's up there. Next one's right there. Yeah. Or we'll put them in line and someone just has to stand guard. Yep. I got you.
Money's down behind. Oh, the reality. It's not go.
This way? Yeah, I got you. Come on.
That's it. All right. This is my hell.
Hey,
My hell.
get in the car.
All of me.
Put your butt in.
All of them.
Put your butt in.
And that's why you are stopping.
Yup.
Put your head all the way in, buddy.
Oh.
Hey, you're all wrapped up, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
You got him?
Seatbelt. You got him?
You got him? Put him in?
Yeah.
Put him in.
Grab him, pull him.
All right, ready?
Ready? Yep.
Yep. The reality.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just get in the car. There.
No. I want to. All over me.
I'll hold it for you. Just watch. Ready? All right. It's free right there, okay? Oh, there we go. Can you sit up?
No, because I'm hell.
Can you sit up though? That'd be cool.
That's so me to do.
Hey, can you sit up so you can check the blood pressure and get the taser brought
Yeah,
out?
because I get the reality. Yeah.
That's fine. Can you put your feet down here though?
That's the hell.
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm gone.
Okay.
With my best friend.
Hey.
The perfect life. Oh God. That
Hey,
makes me God.
you know what make you feel like grounded?
God.
Put your feet right here. Put your feet right here. Put your on that side. So
Hey, that makes me
try to
hell.
sit them up so they get a blood
That makes
pressure.
my hell. I'm gone.
We're gonna try to sit them up and they're gonna get blood pressure.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe just
And that's to be the true love. No, that's story I got it.
hey, well,
That's,
I'm just gonna try to like
I've
sit
got
them up.
ah,
Oh, there you go. There we go. Perfect.
yeah.
Put your feet right there. There you go. Okay.
That's just me.
Lean this way a little bit.
I got it.
There you go. Sweet. Keep your feet in though. I don't
That's
want to
my hell.
get shutting the door. Two
Two
or multiple throws. More than 2 throws. 1, 2, 3.
I got it.
I assume 4.
You did it once.
But I only see 3. So.
Oh, it makes my hell.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Don't want to be God.
Yeah.
I don't want to say God.
If we get
Got it.
like that. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Get a blood pressure cuff on there.
It's probably right where it needs to be.
Yeah. And that's going to hurt.
Yeah, that's the thing about being God. We're going.
Yeah.
That's God.
And we can get some
Yeah, you're good.
Do you have any medical complaints?
Yeah, that's
Okay, what does that mean? I'm a paramedic with the fire department. I just want to. I'm trying to evaluate you medically. Are you having any shortness of breath?
Yeah.
You are? Okay. Do you have any chest pain?
Yeah, we know.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know once, you know right one.
I don't know what that means.
It means I'm gone.
You're gone? Have you taken any,
No, God.
any drugs tonight?
Yes. Now,
Okay.
reality.
All right.
Oh, oh,
Okay. Nope. Just hang out.
Yeah, hold up.
That's just weird.
Hey,
What's the name of the drugs you're taking tonight?
It's just.
It's gonna be a pain.
I don't gotta stay.
Check if there's a taser.
Alright, baby. Y'all be in trouble for being in trouble.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Yeah.
Just check and see if there's one in there.
yeah.
So, well, now we'll use that one.
Oh, my love.
What's your
My
name?
best friend.
No,
hell.
no deal on him or anything.
Nothing. So far, we got nothing. Yeah. Is there a barber up there? Can they get a blood pressure cuff on it?
Just stop.
There's nothing over here. Okay.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
I got it.
We'll try it.
There you
We
go.
could probably try to slide him
No,
over.
I got
See
it.
if we can reach.
Yeah, if you can, or whatever you need us to do.
And now I got that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Oh! I know. That's just mean.
Hey, look, boss, I'm just gonna put this blood pressure cuff on.
Ooh, that is so. I got it. Once. Alright, so I gotta say it once. You're right.
Just be cool, man. Just be cool.
There we go.
Just try to get a blood pressure cuff on him.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
I see 3. I don't
I mean, yeah, the one guy I
see. That's what I counted, but.
See one of these fingers, dude?
Light off, light on.
Airman? See one of those fingers?
Move it.
I got it!
On his chest.
That's fucking hell.
How's that?
I know, it's tough, it's cold to be gone. Don't do, oh God, Rihanna. Yeah, oh God. Oh. Out of truth, number one.
That's like that.
You got in my heart.
You want that?
I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out.
Figure it out.
Oh, the hell we're
I
at.
can take the monitor out of the way. Yeah. Where's this finger at? Hey, boss, sit up a little bit, okay?
I'll figure it out around.
Yeah.
Oh!
Let me know if that's good.
Look, boss, I just need a finger.
Hey, open your fingers.
The other side,
So amazing. My best friend. Oh, I did it so
Reading?
I did it so wrong. Oh, reality. Yeah, I want you back. Yeah. Stop. That's so mean.
You got it? Just like that for 1 second.
Yeah.
Relax.
Yeah. Oh, I hate God. Yeah. Alright, you're good. Okay. I figured it out.
Can you,
Alright, yeah. Alright. I got it.
What's up? Get your feet in. I don't want to close the fucking door.
Guys. Yeah,
Here, sit up. Sit up. There you go.
God, I don't want to be
Push your feet in.
I don't want to be gone.
Just put your feet in. There you go. You're a tall guy, but I just need you to squeeze in there, okay?
That's hell.
Hey, just scooch in. Not like that. I need your feet
That's
in.
just me.
I need your feet in. Feet inside.
Are we just gonna take it to the house?
Yeah.
Sounds like it.
We're allowed to make our recommendations. You guys are. It's your
Yeah,
city.
no.
So I understand what
No, I mean, if it's triple, I'm sure that's what we're going to do.
But I mean, like, you guys can.
Oh, yeah.
There's an officer safety issue or something, and you close the door and drive away.
That's hell.
No, I'm sure we're going to do that.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let's stand up.
Just don't do this. Like,
Yeah, we got to do this, man. Let's stand up. I'm going to need a hand, though. He's like,
How do I say it? I get it.
okay, come on. Stand up.
That's my
Use your
hell.
feet.
That's my hell. That's my
Yeah,
hell.
it's fine. It's fine.
Oh, my God. Oh.
Neo, get out.
No.
I don't want to be gone.
You're not gonna die. We're gonna save you.
He's just going to be like dead weight. Yeah, there you go. There we go. Hey, we're walking. You are killing it.
Face up.
I get it.
Right there.
I get it.
Right there.
Almost.
Sweet. There you go. Okay.
Even after being tased, he fought back violently. It took multiple officers to finally restrain him and place him in handcuffs.
Perfect. Look at that.
Hey, God, now.
We'll switch the thing to the front if you want. And the
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
so he's not behind him, or?
I Oh,
If it's
can I
okay
got,
behind
yeah.
him, that's
Stop.
He's
It's
got
up-
restraints, so it's up to you guys if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah, no. If it's
Your ambulance. You tell us what
you guys need to do stuff, we can put it up front.
Yeah, we'll take
Hey,
one
Veman,
from.
his heart rate's triple what it's supposed to be.
Oh, yeah, I got, I've got, I've not got.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3. That's all
Four.
I see.
Up, there's four.
Oh, yeah,
Look
yeah.
at me. Let me see your eyes.
Ooh,
Let me take another one of that. Oh, baby.
man.
What did you take?
I said it perfect.
So I can treat you appropriately. I may have medications to make you feel better. I just got to know what you took. Just tell me a name. You take speed, ice, meth.
Oh, oh,
We can try.
I'm going hell. Why y'all?
Gonna get him in there, and then we'll switch him.
Alright, yeah,
Okay.
I figured it out.
Get his shoulder.
Alright, sorry, stop. What is that? I got it. I got it.
All right, cool.
Alright, there's something. There's something. Oh, the hell that. Yeah, I'm the one you got. Yeah. That's a y'all so wrong. Y'all wrong.
That's where you guys.
St. Anthony's, good.
Okay.
Nathaniel D. Tuck, 42, was arrested on charges of criminal mischief, disorderly conduct, resisting law enforcement, and other related offenses. What do you think awaits him next? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to catch more thrilling cases ahead.